You're doing really great. First, we need to assemble. Drop side truck. Keep it up. Filling. Drop side truck. Pump. Don't stop. Let's build the water wheel. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. Amazing! We did it! Build your own vehicle park. Keep it up. Hooray! Pump. We did it! Let's place the roof. We need to wash. Lift crane. You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. Keep up the good work. We need to assemble. Drop side truck. Amazing! First, we have to fill it. Drop side truck. Pump. Done! Let's place the windows and doors. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. You're doing really great. Hooray! Build your own vehicle park. Don't stop. We need to assemble. Paver. Keep up the good work. Now we need to fill it. Paver. Press the pump. Hooray! Let's start building the road. Now we need to wash it clean. Paver. You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. Don't stop. We need to assemble. Roller. Ready. Now we need to fill it. Roller. Press the pump. Don't stop. Let's finish the road. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discolorations. Amazing! Hooray! Build your own vehicle park. Don't stop. We have to assemble. Lift crane. Keep up the good work. Filling. Lift crane. Pump. Done. Let's place the bridge. Now we need to wash it clean. Lift crane. You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. Don't stop. We have to assemble. Pickup truck. You're doing really great. First, we have to fill it. Pickup truck. Pump. Don't stop. Let's decorate our mill. The new watermill is complete. You're doing a great job. We did it! Build your own vehicle park. Ready.